Hey everybody! Today I'm cooking with Ryan Sobieski, but without Ryan Sobieski, we're making chicken bacon ranch wraps. Or something. Thanks, man. Oh.
So first things first, you gotta, what do we do? Time machine. So, tomatoes.
Tomatoes! Ow!
And it says, produce of the USA.
Daddy's gonna chop up the chicken.
That's good. So just give these tomatoes a fruit or vegetable, right? Fruit. So we're giving
Chicken Kirkis.
That's so bad. I like to massage it, make it feel nice.
Little meat tangy. See if we can break the cutting board.
Sometimes
Mash the chicken to death.
you use the wrong side. Sometimes you use the right side.
No matter what, you want to use one of the sides.
What side is your favorite?
This one. What we want to do is smash the chicken to death.
As so.
Do a little flipperoni.
Oh.
Sadly for her,
Oh.
she's not gonna get a piece.
Fridge to check something out. It's all good.
Now we chop up the chicken.
Let me grab a knife myself. A knife myself!
No way.
Why does it have to be the white one? Well that's just a shame, isn't it? Well, I guess the smartest thing to do would to use a blade. It's a serrated blade. It's Kitchen Delight. It is a delight to use. I'm gonna thank my mom and Snoop Dogg for this one.
I'm gonna thank Baby Jesus, Baby Hus,
Babies.
Baby Zeus, Baby Jesus, Baby Jesus.
Babies, and it was riding a motorcycle.
Oh, really? That's nice. We're just cutting up dead bird parts, baby. You want to cut the chicken parts into small pieces. You know
What I'm doing right now, I think, is I'm dicing the tomatoes. I'm calling Mike Tyson to see how he's doing with his tomato garden.
Yes, that's exactly right.
Yes. You gotta olive oil before you
Into the
boil.
pan.
He said into the pan, directly into the pan, about 6 inches away. Spread them.
You also want to pretend that you're cutting your own skin.
Like so.
We're gonna bowl them.
We're gonna bowl them. You wanna washi the plastics, because that's what we do.
We wash plastic. That's all we do right here. Is we
I
wash
specialize in washing plastic.
plastic. Oh man, this chicken looks like it's gonna be tasty.
These tomatoes look good. Does he like it?
You remember the Life cereal? Whatever.
It's okay.
Hey, just wanted to shout out to me and Elliot since we're sick. Attitude tomatoes. Yeah, we only fuck with the attitude tomatoes.
These tomatoes have a bad attitude.
Cocksucking tomatoes.
Cocksucker. You learn all sorts of things watching this show. You learn how to not be a fucking pussy.
Do you want to learn how to not be a bitch?
Come hang out with us. We sing pirate shanties at 4 a.m.
Fuck! God damn it. We're such frick-ups. I like cookies. Sometimes I like stuff that tastes good. Now we put spice on the chicken that's on the stove. Here goes nothing, little beer can chick. Then we have seasoned pepper, a little seasonable salt. Mmm. Yo, these are gonna be very, very good, I can promise you that. Oh yeah, don't forget, we have bacon, if you will.
There we go. We got diced onions. They're diced.
Meanwhile, Daddy's in the background chopping a whole pound of bacon in half.
Well, here we go with the onion peel shells.
In half bacon. Vagina. The chicken vagitas. We're not making vagitas. Relax. We're making fucking bacon chicken wraps. So we're gonna put the fucking onions in them.
Onion in the middle in the chicken, and I'm just gonna sit with them, and we're gonna talk about the fucking criticism.
It's a grand staircase from the Titanic.
Where all the angels ride. Yeah, it looks good cooking right
The
there.
chicken Indian.
What I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna put it in the fridge.
Do you see this?
Do you see it? Where's the potato?
Daddy needs another beer. That's a tasty fucking beverage. This is bacon. Now we wait. Sprinkler on there.
You fucking take these things and you put them in the goddamn microwave.
Little, just a little.
I just put these in for like 13 seconds and they look good.
The cheese, the melting.
Alright, you gotta go in the fridge, you gotta get the ranch, you gotta get the spinach, and you gotta fucking get it ready. We like ranch.
We like opening bags here. Mr. Gorbachev, open this bag. Cocksuckers.
Alright, so I just washed my hands, my fucking goddamn hands. I put the spinach on the
Just throw some fucking on there. Who cares? Who gives a fuck? It's just spinach.
I like it being evenly displaced.
Then, little tomatos.
There's tomatoes.
Diced toms. The beer is most important.
Then we put on the ranch. The crab ranch. You sprinkle, you dazzle. You put a dazzle and sprinkle.
You do a little razzle dazzle. Okay. Don't you think that we are doing it right now? There they are. Now we start wrapping. Maybe I'll do it. Why don't you do your job and start wrapping? This wrap is really good. I'm really excited about it. Wow. We really did it this time.
We did a good job.